Fear and torture. Adults accused of overlooking sexual abuse against children. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, MP and councillor clash over condition of health centre in St. Catherine. And more outrage over double-digit increase in hall fees at the University of the West Indies. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.